You don't need a team. You don't need capital. You don't need to know how to code, design, or write marketing copy. AI can now do roughly 80% of the work it takes to launch a real business. And I'm going to show you the exact 48-hour blueprint, hour by hour, that took 3 different business ideas from just a thought to actually generating revenue. No fluff, no follow your passion nonsense, just a system. Let's get into it. Before the framework, let me show you why this works. Business 1. A digital template pack built in under 48 hours using Canva and ChatGPT. Listed on Etsy and a simple Shopify store. First 30 days, $340 in sales, mostly from organic search. Business 2. A drop shipping store in a single niche, built with Shopify's AI store builder. First 30 days, $680 in revenue. After ad spend, modest, but proof the system works without prior experience. Business 3. A faceless YouTube channel using AI for scripting and voiceover. First payout after meeting monetization requirements, $210 in the first month from ads alone, with affiliate income on top. None of these are get-rich-quick numbers. They're proof that with AI doing the heavy lifting, a complete beginner can launch something real in a weekend and then scale it. Here's the 6-step framework we're using. Number 1, idea validation. Day 1, hour 1 to 4. Number 2, market research. Day 1, hour 4 to 8. Number 3, branding. Day 1, hour 8 to 12. Number 4, building. Day 2, hour 1 to 6. Number 5, launch. Day 2, hour 6 to 9. Number 6, marketing. Day 2, hour 9 to 12. Let's go hour by hour. Hour 1 through 4, idea validation. Tool, ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT and use this exact prompt. I want to start a business with no prior experience and a small budget. Suggest 10 business ideas in your interest area that can be validated quickly and built primarily using AI tools. For each, include startup cost, time to launch, and realistic first-month revenue potential. This gives you a short list instantly, instead of weeks of guessing. Validation check. Pick your top 3 ideas, then ask ChatGPT. For each of these ideas, what's the fastest way to test if people actually want this before I invest time building it? It'll usually suggest things like checking search volume, browsing competitor reviews, or posting in relevant communities. Hour 4 to 8, market research. Tools, ChatGPT and Google Trends. Ask ChatGPT, who is the ideal customer for your chosen idea? Give me 3 customer personas with their biggest pain points. Then, cross-check demand with Google Trends. Search your product category and look for steady or rising interest, not a declining trend. Quick competitor scan. Search your idea on Etsy, Amazon, or YouTube, depending on the model, and note what the top 5 results are doing well and poorly. This takes 30 minutes and saves you from building something nobody wants. Hours 8 to 12, branding. Tools, ChatGPT plus Canva. Ask ChatGPT. Generate 15 business name ideas for your business concept that are short, memorable, and likely to have available domains. Pick one, check domain availability at Namecheap or GoDaddy. Then, open Canva, search logo templates. Use Canva's AI logo generator, Canva Magic Studio, type your business name and a style description, and it generates multiple logo options in seconds. Brand kit in Canva. Once you pick a logo, click Create a Brand Kit. Canva auto-suggests matching colors and fonts based on your logo. This gives you a cohesive look for everything else you built. Day 2, build, launch, and marketing. Hours 1 to 6, building. Tool, Shopify AI Store Builder, or Wix AI. Go to shopify.com, start a free trial, And when prompted, use the AI store setup. Describe your business in a sentence, and it auto-generates a starting template with sections already structured. For product descriptions, use ChatGPT with this prompt. Write a compelling product description for your product that highlights the main benefit, addresses a common objection, and ends with a soft call to action. Keep it under 100 words. For visuals, if you're selling digital templates, use Canva to design mockups. If dropshipping, most suppliers via apps like de-essers provide product images already. Just clean them up in Canva if needed. Hours 6 to 9, launch. Tools, Shopify plus ChatGPT. Before going live, ask ChatGPT, review this list of pages and features for an e-commerce launch and tell me what I'm missing. It usually catches things like missing return policy pages, unclear shipping info, or a weak homepage headline. Connect payment processing, Shopify Payments or PayPal, set your domain, and hit publish. Hours 9 to 12, marketing. Tools, ChatGPT plus Canva. Ask ChatGPT, write 5 social media posts to launch your business on Instagram and TikTok, each with a different angle. Curiosity, social proof, urgency, education, and a direct offer. Use Canva to quickly design matching graphics from templates, then schedule posts using the free tier of a tool like Later or Buffer. 3 business models that work best with AI. 1. Digital products. Ebooks, templates, printables. Best for total beginners, lowest cost, fastest to build, and AI can generate 90% of the actual product content with ChatGPT and design it with Canva. 2. Dropshipping. Best if you want physical products without inventory risk. AI helps most with product research, descriptions, and customer service responses, but expect more ongoing work than digital products. 3. Faceless YouTube or content channel. Best for people willing to be consistent over months, not days. AI handles scripting, voiceover, and even basic editing, but revenue takes longer to materialize than the other 2 models. My mistake checklist. Don't skip validation. I once built a full store before checking if anyone searched for the product. Wasted a full day. Don't over-design before you have a single customer. A clean, simple Canva logo is enough. Don't spend hours perfecting it. Don't ignore the legal basics. Even a simple business needs a return policy and clear terms. ChatGPT can draft a starting template, but consider having someone knowledgeable review anything customer-facing or legally binding. Don't expect day 2 revenue. Launching isn't the finish line. Most of these examples took a full 30 days to see meaningful sales, not 48 hours. Don't pick a niche you don't understand. AI can fill gaps in execution, but it can't fill a gap in market knowledge. Pick something you at least somewhat know. That's the exact 48-hour blueprint. It's not magic, and it's not instant riches, but it proves you don't need experience, a team, or a big budget to get something real off the ground anymore. If you found this useful, subscribe. I'm building more of these AI business breakdowns every week. And let me know in the comments, which of these 3 business models are you trying first? See you in the next one.